ocean's deep embrace, spiky fur and flipper grace. Seal and hedgehog join as one underneath the shining sun. Swimming smooth but spines in tow, through the currents they will go. Rolling seas meet rolling land, beaches greet with golden sand. Spiky waters, here we rise, oddest friends in new disguise. Flipping, flapping, prickly charm, nature's magic arm in arm. Surfing waves and making trails, quills and fins through whispered tales. Meeting crabs and dancing squid, every day a brand new bid. Spiky waters, here we rise, oddest friends in new disguise. Flipping, flapping, prickly charm, nature's magic arm in arm. Spiky waters, here we rise, oddest friends in new disguise. Flippin', flappin', prickly charm, nature's magic arm in arm. Whiskers twitch and roam around, on this journey joy is found. Spiky fur will never clash, worlds unite in perfect splash. Mystery of the ocean, where the waves collide. There's a little creature in a world so wide. Spines and flippers blending in a comic mix, curling up for journeys with some ocean tricks. Seal and hedgehog hybrid, rolling on the beach, flipping through the waters, dreams just out of reach. Whiskers twitch like magic, eyes as bright as stars, tumbling into wonder, traveling so far. Slick and spiky fusion, dancing with the breeze. Sand and sea in motion, moving with such ease. Mysterious companions, swimming through the night, causing waves of laughter